Hey, howdy, friends. It's Steve DePoe here with the Rose Realty team with this week's Real Estate Live for North Texas. Today, we're going to talk about healthcare in Denton, okay, Denton, Texas. Um, the healthcare in Denton is can kind of overlap a little bit into Denton County, but we're really focusing a lot on the city of Denton. Okay, Denton County is the largest growing county in the state of Texas, but Denton itself um, is growing as well, but not as fast as the county is, right? So we're gonna focus on the city of Denton, but this a lot of this also applies to the county as well. So healthcare facilities. Hey, we've got a number of notable healthcare facilities in Denton. Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital, Medical City of Denton are just two of them. Okay, they have a wide range of services from pediatrics to oncology, to all of the standard stuff like broken arms and legs and sprained ankles. Okay, but these are two well-renowned facilities. The Texas Health Presbyterian is actually growing out. I think it started here in the county, but it's actually growing out phenomenally throughout the rest of Texas. So which goes to kind of show its strength and its prominence in the healthcare area. Hey, before we go any further, please do us a favor and go to our YouTube channel, youtube.com /at movie to Dallas. Subscribe and like our channel. That'll really help us in terms of growing our audience base, and will also allow you when we come up with a new video, whether that's a vlog or whether that's a preview of a house or something like that, you'll be notified that that's active. Doesn't cost you anything, but it really kind of benefits us a bit. So we really appreciate you doing that, and we thank you. Okay, let's continue talking about the university-based healthcare systems, our services. So we have two major universities here in the city of Denton. We have the UT Texas Women's University, and we also have the University of North Texas. Go Big Green. And what these facilities do is they do a lot of providing healthcare to the students there, for everything from colds and flus and COVID to mental health support, wellness programs, those kinds of things, especially catering to the younger folks, the younger population, people going to school there, and so that's a really well-known and excellent system that they have there as well. Community health resources, okay, basically helps set the tone or set the standards for health resources and public opinion and promoting public health and that kind of stuff. They were really involved a couple of years ago, and what was it, 2019, I guess, when COVID kicked in. They had to try to figure out what to do, how to best stop the spread, all that kind of stuff. They were taking, unfortunately, they were taking a lot of their information from the CDC, which we now know is wrong. But anyway, they set the tone, they set the policy. Excuse me. Better go to the doctor. And they set the tone and set the policy for the county. Okay, and they actually do a really great job at it. Mental health services of Denton. They've got a lot of great programs for people under stress, marriage counseling, people with emotional problems. And they're, again, kind of spread out a little bit all through the county, and obviously the city of Denton. But they're there setting, again, some policy, but they're also there bringing in doctors and bringing in specialists and telling you where you can go, to get help with this problem or that problem. And again, they do a really great job in promoting mental health, especially throughout the city and counties of Denton. So there you have it. I mean, so we talked last week about healthcare services in North Texas, and this week we're talking about healthcare services basically in Denton in particular. And you can see that we're well covered. You know, whether it's mental health or people setting the policy, or well-known hospitals or medical research or medical education, or again, medical health concerns for our college students. So we got it here. And, you know, we're not as backwoods as a lot of people in the Northeast may think, but it's really out there, and it's growing. We've got new companies coming in all the time, new hospitals opening up, new facilities, 24/7 healthcare, all that kind of stuff. And it's just growing by like leaps and bounds in this area. And it's phenomenal. Hey, next week we're going to talk about the cost of living in North Texas. Now, there's a lot of people who don't quite understand the cost of living, where we are sort of on the scale and all of that. But I thought this would be a great next step here. Cost of living in North Texas next week. This is Steve with the Rose Realty team. I'm out.